Hey everybody, I'm Greg with the Fix My Bleep channel. Thanks so much for joining me today. So this is going to be a review video on the Milwaukee M12. This is the heated hoodie. Let's get into the video, you guys. Let's see if this thing is worth the money. Alright, so this M12 Milwaukee heated hoodie comes in different colors. It comes in different sizes. It comes with or without the battery and the charger. So this particular one, I've already got the charger, I've already got extra batteries and stuff, so this is just the heated hoodie itself. So there's a link in the description where you can find that. Be sure and like and subscribe. Alright, so some of your best uses for this heated hoodie obviously are going to be your contractors, your people that are out on the construction site, working, building, stuff like that. Another great use, I'm going to personally use this for a lot of camping purposes. Riding four-wheelers is another purpose. People might want to use it for hunting, if you're out in the woods a lot, out in the cold area, for hiking, stuff like that. Anywhere where you're just going to need that extra layer of protection and warmth, that's just going to be a really good use of it. Alright, time to unbox this Milwaukee M12 heated hoodie. Let's check it out. Instructions there. This does come. Okay, that's a battery holder, it looks like. There is your actual hoodie. And that is everything in the box. Alright, so one thing to note, it does say press for 2 seconds to turn on and off, so you do have to hold it for 2 seconds right there. And it's got some good weight too, look at that. 2.29 pounds. Instructions, pretty straightforward. Heated hoodie, operator's manual. Basically, all you really need to know about this, you guys, is everything is right there. So that's where you turn it off and on. That's your power button. Number 1 is right there on the left side of your chest. So red is high, medium is white, and low is blue, your LED button. Or that's your color of your LED button. You've got your battery holder, which is on your back, your power cable port, battery holder pocket, and power cable. All right there in the instructions. Alright, time to try this on and see if a large actually is a large, and if it fits and how it feels and all that good stuff. For the price though, you know, the zipper is plastic. I was kind of hoping for a metal zipper for the price. I mean, come on you guys. The inside's got like you'd find in insulated underwear. It's got the pleated inside. So I mean, that's good. It's got like a mesh inside there. Let's try it on. Alright, so large is true to size. Large is actually a large. So it's going to fit. It's comfortable, and it feels like a regular hoodie or a light jacket. Now I will say, the first thing I noticed is the cuffs are a little bit tight, but I can see them making the cuffs tight for a couple of reasons. A lot of contractors are going to use this, and a lot of people are going to have gloves on. They're going to have work gloves or something. They're doing a lot of things with their hands, and so you don't want big loose cuffs a lot of the time. So, but yeah, definitely is comfortable. Here's your little button right here. Here's the hoodie. See how this thing heats up? Now I do like the pockets here too. You've got your pockets, a lot of room. This is your battery pocket right there. There's your cable for your battery. Alright, so to set up and use your hoodie for the first time is very straightforward. It comes with a little battery pack holder. Just go ahead and unwrap that. Fly out of the packaging. Once you've charged up one of your Milwaukee batteries, you just pop that into the battery holder, just like that. Pop it in there. Go ahead and on the left side of your heated hoodie, you'll see a little pocket here. It's labeled M12. Unzip that pocket, reach in there, and there is a cable and grab that cable. You'll notice a little cord. Plug that cord in right here onto your battery pack. Take your battery pack, drop that into your pocket there. It's got a little zipper on it. And then zip that pocket closed. And you are ready to go with your heated hoodie. It's as simple as that. And your on-off button on your heated hoodie is right here. It also is labeled M12. You'll hold the button in there, hold it in for about 2 seconds. Red is the hottest setting. Push it again. White is your medium setting, and blue is the least warm setting. And hold it in for 2 seconds to shut it off. Alright, so currently I don't have the Milwaukee heated hoodie turned on at all. So we're going to just check the ambient temperature and see what we have, and then we're going to go through the 3 settings and see if there's any difference at all on temperature. So let's check it out. So we're looking at 73.4 degrees just laying here on the counter. And that's the inside of the hoodie temperature. Let's turn it on low, and we're going to let it sit here for a minute. 74.3 degrees, so a little bit about 1 degree warmer there, so not a lot of difference. It definitely feels warm. You can feel some heat there. Let's turn it on to medium and see what difference that makes, you guys. .6 degrees Fahrenheit, you guys, so that's on medium. Okay, time to try it on its maximum heat setting. Let's put it on the hottest setting. Alright, let's check the Milwaukee M12 Heated Hoodie on the highest setting and see what we ended up with, you guys. It says 87.4 degrees. Now that is nice and toasty. Oh my goodness. That is warm. So if you're out on a construction site in a freezing winter morning and you got this thing layered underneath another coat or something, yeah, you're going to be loving life. I'm going to put this on, go ride some four-wheelers and see how it works. Alright, time to try out this Milwaukee Heated Hoodie and see how it performs. Still nice and toasty. Alright, so let's go over the strong points of the Milwaukee M12 Heated Hoodie right now. So strong point number 1 of the Milwaukee Heated Hoodie is the comfort. This thing is very comfortable. The heating elements are basically all around your rib cage or your core of your body. There's some running down the front here, but they're really thin. There's some along your back here, and just the comfort. Strong point number 2 is the obvious. Your cold environment is what this is going to be great in. This will definitely keep you warm and you're going to really appreciate it. So strong point number 3, depending on what heat setting you have this on, this is going to last you most of the day. So on low, you're going to get maybe 8 to 10 hours. On high setting, you're going to get maybe 4 or so hours. So there you go, long-lasting batteries. So strong point number 4, the fact that it does have the 3 heat settings. So you've got your low, your medium, and your high. That's awesome right there, the adjustable setting. Alright, so let's go over the drawbacks of the Milwaukee M12 Heated Hoodie right now. Okay, drawback number 1 is the price. I just looked this up, and on Amazon right now it's running like around $220. So if you can find some coupons or get it on sale, I would get it on sale. Okay, drawback number 2 is you got this lump in the back. It's like carrying around a half a soda can or something. So it's fine most of the time, but if you fall down or you're sitting in your truck or something, you got kind of this lump right here in your butt or your back pocket. Not the most comfortable thing, so there is that. Alright, so drawback number 3 is it is missing a USB port on this, unless I have just not found the thing yet. So some of the competitors, like DeWalt for example, I believe come with a USB port on their heated hoodie, and these guys just kind of missed the boat on that whole thing. Like what gives? So overall, what's my take on this? It is a solid product, but for the $220, no, I'm not going to recommend this. I would go with a competitor unless you can get a coupon on it, you can find it on sale, then I would give it a thumbs up. So just kind of shop around, wait till it drops in price or something, and then it is a solid product. So there you go. Alright, so hopefully this video is really helpful. Let me know what you guys think of this Milwaukee M12 Heated Hoodie. Let me know if you think it's worth the money or not worth the money. I'd love to see that in the comments. Please be sure and like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out as a new channel. Check out these other videos, and I'll catch you guys later.